Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at the new Toyota Sienna Hybrid XLE. This is an 8-passenger minivan in blueprint, and under the hood you'll find a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Sienna includes a smart key system, power sliding doors, and a power liftgate. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, the Sienna does have a smart key system, so we can press this line to lock the vehicle, and to unlock it's as easy as putting our hand inside the door handle here. The Sienna does have a blind spot monitoring system in the side mirror. Now in the door you have the powered windows, locks, and mirrors. This Sienna comes equipped with gray Softex seating. Now on the steering wheel you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and voice recognition. You have your Toyota safety sense on the right side with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. You also have these arrows on the left side, which allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Now taking a look at our screen here, right now we are on the home screen where it will display any audio that's playing. You do have your energy monitoring here as well, where you can look at how much battery you have and where that's being powered to. You also have your trip information along with your history as well. Now going into audio, you have your standard AM and FM. You also have choices for USB and Bluetooth, and the Sienna does support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Going into reverse, of course, that'll bring up the backup camera for you. Underneath is the climate control. It is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. You also find your heated seats right underneath on the very left and right. You do have some cup holders here as well, along with a little shelf. You have a USB port, and you do have a little bit of storage on the bottom as well, along with a 12-volt outlet. Now, like I mentioned, the Sienna does have power sliding doors, so we can hold that left button on our key fob. If we sneak inside here, you can see we are continuing with the gray Softex. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have some extra storage compartments. And the rear seats do fold down. There's a little handle here. If we pull that upwards, the seats will fold, giving you access to your third row seating. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, dual zone climate control, heated steering wheel, and a backup camera. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.